Welcome to Simple Finance. In today's fast-paced world, managing our money can be a real challenge. Have you ever wondered if there's a better way to handle your finances? Well, you're in the right place. In today's topic, we'll discuss about money automation. Money automation refers to the process of setting up various financial tasks and processes to run automatically, reducing the need for manual intervention. Savings and investments. Automate regular contributions to your savings accounts or investment accounts. Over time, these contributions can grow significantly through compound interest and market returns, helping you earn more money without actively doing anything. Dividend investments. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or funds. Some of these investments automatically reinvest dividends to buy more shares, which can lead to increased earnings over time. Cashback and rewards. Many credit cards offer cashback rewards. By setting up your credit card for automated payments and using it responsibly, you can earn cashback on your everyday expenses. Side income streams. If you have side businesses or passive income streams, automate their financial processes, like transferring earnings to your bank account or reinvesting them for growth. Automation can transform your financial life, giving you more time and more money. So, whether you're a young adult just starting out to simplify your finances, money automation is the way to go. Join us for the rest of this journey, and let's make your financial life more manageable and prosperous. Subscribe for more videos like these.